Hello, today I'm making a video on how to begin to install truck rails on a Ford F-150 with plastic caps on the top of the sides. My truck has a 5.5 foot bed with these plastic caps, they call them, on top of the sides. I happen to have a tonneau cover which has been scooted forward so that I can do some work on my truck bed rails. But first of all, I have to say that Ford will not tell you where on this cap to cut the holes for installing any type of mount. For some odd reason, they provide these removable covers on the back for stake pockets, but on the front there is no such thing. They just have these raised 1-inch wide ridges. And so the question obviously is, where do you cut this hole? You cannot see it. There is no evidence that there is a hole below this, except there's a clue. And the clue is this hole right here. It is inside the truck bed, and I'm not exactly sure what the whole purpose is, but it is a point where you can partly correlate the location on top of the truck rail, side rail, to cut the hole. The other clue that you may have on your truck is from below. So below, if you crawl under your truck and look up in here, you may be able to see with a flashlight where the metal opening is. On this side, you can see there's already a hole, and that's because I've already drilled one side. But without that drilled hole, you would not know it. So I've cut a 3-inch diameter hole already, and on that side I haven't done it, so I'm trying to provide you some help so that you can do this yourself. So on my side rail, I drew it out on paper, and you can see for me I drilled this pilot hole 3 3/8 inch from the front of this plastic edge, and also 1 3/4 inch from the inside edge right here. And obviously I did it right. I hit only plastic, which is scary because you don't want to hit metal, but I did that. I also removed the back stake pocket cover, which is this piece, and it is easy to remove. You just need a flathead screwdriver and you pry it up, and it bends a little bit and it pops out. So the stake pocket on my 2024 F-150 XLT with a 5.5 inch bed is approximately 2 1/4 inches long from front to back, and 1 11/16 inch wide from inside of the truck to the outside of the truck. So as I'm showing you here, I've already drilled my pilot hole with a 3/8 inch bit, and now comes the most difficult part, which is cutting a square in this plastic, similar to how this has been done, in order to cut into the stake pocket but not damage the metal. So you ask, how do you do that? Well, you can do it a multitude of ways. You could use an X-Acto knife. You could use a saw. You could use a kitchen knife, I suppose. But what I've done is I have bought this particular bit. This is a router bit, and it has rollers, which are guides on the bottom, and blades on the side. So what are these rollers for? Well, the rollers act as a guide when you're cutting into the truck cap. So you can see if the rollers and the depth are set up properly, you should not cut into the metal. You should only cut the plastic. Okay, so I inserted the router bit into the pilot hole as I showed you earlier, and turned my router to the highest speed possible, which is a 6 on this Bosch Colt 1.25 horsepower. Inserted the bit and then went counterclockwise around the edge of the metal using the rollers as the guide. And you can see I've got a really smooth cut, no damage to the metal, and followed the roundness of the stake pocket perfectly. The only thing left to do is to clean up some of this slag, as they call it, which is just a little bit of plastic that needs to be scraped off. And I am done with this part. Now I need to do the same thing to the other side.